My name is like Mama, but I'm usually known as Justin Bigere. So I'm an ex-student here. I was in the 7, grade 5, 6, and 7. I studied here. She used to take me for maths, and I really enjoyed her subjects. She's a very lovely teacher. So if you just like behave to her, she's a very lovely teacher. So I know you guys are in grade 7, right? And all of you wanna go to high school, right? Everybody wanna stay in grade 7, right?
Yes.
How many of you wanna go to high school with it? Wow, it's like it's everyone goes to high school. So to go to high school is not easy. You need to do your work right. You need to do your work. You need to listen to your teachers. Most importantly, you need to have respect, guys. You see, when you go to high school, you're gonna get different kind of people that are older than you. So you're gonna go to grade 8, you're gonna get grade 12. Maybe they might be like 2 times older than you. So you need to have respect. You need to behave. Smoking and drinking is not good for anybody. You all know that smoking kills, right? Drinking kills, right? Good. I can see you guys are good children, so if you guys can say like that, I feel like you guys will know what you see, and just respect the teachers, guys. Respect the teachers. I was also in grade 7. I know what you guys are going through. You're all there, you're different people. Maybe this one, some of them make noise. Maybe these ones they behave. This one here, maybe they're just like sleeping. You never know. So what I just want to say, guys, I want to wish you all the best, and most importantly, like, you must have respect. You must like respect. Show empathy in everything that comes. You know, your schoolwork. Be interested. Sometimes it's boring, but you have to push. Okay, you have to do what?
Push.
You have to do what?
Push.
Yeah, when life push, we push.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all.